Anyway, I'm going to put them in there so that they're nice and short, so I don't have this ouchy rubbish. And they can go back in there. Alright, sorry, let's back into it. The saddles are actually one of the only things that are brand new on this, because I actually wanted brass ones. I thought that would look really cool with the red, and the mint guard's new as well, because I don't have a mint guard. Here's the dog. This is going to be tedious, taking these long ones out and putting in short ones. Hopefully when it gets to the setup stage it's all going to be sweet, but I just don't like how this sticks out like that. Yeah. I'll put them in there so I don't know where they are. Now, yeah, that looks good. The brass and the red look magic. This picker didn't line up with the holes, which I've already pre-drilled them previously. I just never put the screws in, so I'll do that now as well. But I'm going to take it off and have a look at this earth. I'll take it off, have a look. Might have to finish this tomorrow. That won't matter to you because this is going to be one video. So let's do it. Here comes the boss.
You, my friend, are fired.
You, my friend, are in the video.
Oh, shit. Yep.
Damn it, where's my suction people? going on?
What? Too much. I thought for sure you were dead today. The house didn't show enough sign of you being awake. But it was all exactly the same as last night. It was like 1:30 or something when I decided to open your door and see if you were alive.
I was barely alive.
I bet you.
That was a big one. That was a doozy.
Doozy. It's actually quite piercing, isn't it? I won't do it. It'll be loud for you.
Rough.
Beers in the top left hand of the fridge. Huh? Top left hand, mate.
Alright. Where did I put it? Let's make a video while I don't know where anything is.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
You've been starring in it? In fact, it's live. No, it's not. I just figured I'd hit record and just... every now and then I'll do a little bit of commentary, but I've got to pause my music.
How about? Okay, I got this cardboard or something. Just put it in front of the camera for like 10 seconds before you start talking. So that you don't have this. What you're saying to know is.
Oh, yeah.
Because otherwise you'll potentially be looking for one thing. But if you use like edit, you'll be able to see the sound.
Yeah, I'll just get easiest. Well, I'll crack myself up.
But sometimes when people watch videos and we'll say, I'm going to edit this out.
Yeah.
Okay, there's one channel that does it all the time, and so I can brush and talk with him. But it's not so much it'll say edit it out, it'll say the same thing 3 times, like he was practicing. Or trying to take to see which one's best.
Cool. Fired up for one little thing. Oh, that's where I had to cut it off to make it fit.
Oh, you found your beers there.
Oh, I had no idea where I put them, to be quite honest.
Yeah, let's do the carton.
What did I do that? Rusty screws. They look good. I don't care if any of these match. That one's actually a little bit different because it's a parts caster and I wanted it to look a little bit ratty, even though that it's actually looking all but really. Oh. I'll put a good one in there to keep it shiny. Now, righto. String it up, which I won't do now. It's boring. So many strings. Yeah. That's it. That's going to do this time. That is it. I'm going to finish my beer and have something to eat. Yep. Thanks for watching. Cheers.